Have you ever stopped to wonder which country takes up the most space on our planet? With 195 countries across 6 continents, it's fascinating to think about just how much land some nations occupy. Today, we're exploring the world's largest country by area, and trust me, it's a lot more than just numbers on a map. So, stick around to uncover some truly mind-blowing facts. Our planet, Earth, spans about 510 million square kilometers in total area. But did you know that only 29% of that is land? And of that land, one country claims a whopping 11% of it all. That's more than a tenth of Earth's landmass. Can you guess which country it is? Well, let's reveal the answer. It's Russia. 1. The sheer size of Russia. Let's put things into perspective. Russia covers an astonishing 17.1 million square kilometers. To give you a comparison, that's more than twice the size of the United States and roughly 70 times larger than the United Kingdom. You could fit entire continents, like Europe or Australia, within Russia's borders, and still have room left over. But what makes Russia's size even more fascinating is its incredible diversity. Stretching across 11 time zones, Russia's vast landmass means the sun can be rising in one part of the country while it's setting in another. That's not something you'll find anywhere else in the world. 2. Where exactly is Russia? Now, let's talk geography. Russia is located in both Europe and Asia, making it a transcontinental country. In fact, about 77% of its land area lies in Asia, while the remaining 23% is in Europe. Despite this, the majority of Russia's population, around 75%, lives in the European part, particularly in cities like Moscow and St. Petersburg. From the icy Arctic in the north to the vast forests of Siberia and the mountains of the Caucasus in the south, Russia's geography is as varied as its size suggests. It's bordered by 14 countries, more than any other nation, including China, Ukraine, Finland, and Kazakhstan. And let's not forget its lengthy coastlines, which stretch along the Pacific, Arctic, and Atlantic Oceans. 3. A land of natural wonders. With such a massive territory, Russia is home to some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes on Earth. One of its most famous landmarks is Lake Baikal, the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake. It's so large that it holds about 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater supply. Russia is also home to the Ural Mountains, which serve as the natural boundary between Europe and Asia, and if you're a fan of extreme cold, you might be interested in visiting Siberia. This region experiences some of the harshest winters on the planet, with temperatures dropping as low as -67 degrees Celsius, -88.6 Fahrenheit, yikes. 4. A rich history. Russia's size hasn't just influenced its geography, it's played a key role in its history too. For centuries, Russia expanded its borders through conquest, treaties, and exploration. By the late 17th century, under the rule of Peter the Great, Russia began transforming into the vast empire we recognize today. The country's immense size gave it a strategic advantage during conflicts like World War II. During the war, Russia's vast terrain and harsh winters became a nightmare for invading forces, particularly for Nazi Germany during their failed invasion in 1941. 5. Challenges of being the largest. But being the largest country in the world isn't without its challenges. Managing such a vast territory comes with its own set of problems. For example, much of Russia's land is uninhabitable due to extreme weather conditions. In fact, only about 20% of the country's land is suitable for agriculture, which means food production relies heavily on specific regions. Infrastructure is another hurdle. Connecting cities and towns across 11 time zones is no small feat. Russia's famous Trans-Siberian Railway, which spans over 9,000 kilometers, is a testament to the country's effort to bridge these gaps. It's the longest railway line in the world and takes about 7 days to travel from one end to the other. 6. Fun facts about Russia. Before we wrap up, let's dive into some fun and surprising facts about this enormous country. Russia has over 100,000 rivers, including the Volga River, which is Europe's longest. The country is so large that it even has a region called Yakutia, which alone is larger than Argentina. Moscow, The capital city is home to over 12 million people, making it one of the most populous cities in Europe. Russia is also a global leader in space exploration. In 1961, Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel into space. So, there you have it. The fascinating story of the world's largest country, Russia. From its jaw-dropping size and natural wonders to its rich history and unique challenges, Russia truly stands out on the global stage. It's a country of extremes, contrasts, and endless surprises. What do you think about Russia's incredible size and diversity? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed learning about the world's largest country, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content like this.